बाद जो कार्य शुरू हो रहा है क्लॉज पर, क्लॉज आफ्टर फ्रेज, क्लॉज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for the examination point of view. Clause is very important for CTET exam. For CTET exam, clause is very important. So it is essential to know about the clause. A clause is a group of words which forms a part of a sentence and contains a subject and finite of its own. A clause is a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and a finite verb of its own. Example, you will pass if you work hard. There are two types of clause. Principal clause, it is also called main clause, independent clause. Next, subordinate clause. It is also dependent clause. Subordinate clause depends on principal clause or any clause for its perfectness. Subordinate clause. I saw a man who was blind. Here is I saw a man is principal clause and who was blind. That is subordinate clause. There are three types of subordinate clause: noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. First, principal clause. Principal clause is a chief voice sentence that has a subject and a predicate, and it has complete meaning. Examples: he worked hard that he may pass. You will pass if you work hard. This is called principal clause. Subordinate clause. There are clause: noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. Noun clause. Definition: a noun clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. Examine the groups of words in the following sentences. I expect to get a prize. Expect what? I expect that I shall get a prize. Expect what? The first group of words, I accept to get a prize. To get a prize does not contain a subject and predicate of its own. It is therefore a phrase. The phrase is the object of the verb, expect, and hence does the work of a noun. It is therefore a noun clause. The second group of words, that I shall get a prize, contains a subject and a predicate of its own. It is therefore a clause. This clause is the object of the clause. This clause is the object of the verb, expect, and so does the work of a noun. Be therefore, it is noun clause. Next. Now examine the sentence. That you have come, please me. That you have come, pleases me. Here the clause, that you have come, is the subject of the verb, pleases. If therefore does the work of a noun and is what we call a noun clause. Adjective clauses. An adjective clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective. Look at the group of words. Look at the group of words in the following sentences. in the following sentences. The umbrella with a broken handle is mine. Which umbrella? Note of interrogation. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Which umbrella? The first group of words with a broken handle describe umbrella. That is, it qualifies the noun umbrella and does the work of an adjective. It is what we call an adjective phrase. The second group of words which has a broken handle also describe the umbrella and so does the work of an adjective clause. Examine the following sentences. He met a girl with blue eyes. Rajiv met a girl whose eyes were blue. The group of words with blue eyes qualifies the noun girl. The group of words whose eyes were blue also qualifies the noun girl. Hence, both these groups of words do the word of an adjective. But the group of words with blue eye is a phrase, while the group of words whose eyes were blue is a clause. We further notice that the adjective phrase with blue eye is equivalent to the adjective clause whose eyes were the blue and can therefore be replaced by it. Now we discuss about the principal clause. Do you know what is principal clause? Hello? What is principal clause? There are two types of clauses. First is principal clause and second is subordinate clause. Principal clause means main clause, a chief voice sentence that has a subject and predicate and it has complete meaning. It is a part of sentence. Principal clause is a part of sentence that has a subject and a predicate and it has complete meaning. Do you follow? Shweta, what is principal clause? Hello? विनय, आवाज नहीं जा रही है. What is principal clause?
Principal clause is a part of sentence.
A principal clause is a part of sentence, has a subject and a predicate. It has also complete meaning. It has also complete meaning. Rinku, what is principal clause?
Sir, principal clause is a part of clause. Sentence.
A part of a sentence has a subject and predicate.
Yes, sir.
A part of a subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. And it has complete meaning. It has complete
meaning.
Sonali, Reena, Shivani Singh. What is principal clause?
So, principal clause is a part of sentence having subject and predicate, and it has a complete meaning.
Very good. Anyone?
The principal clause is a part of sentence, has a subject and predicate, get complete meaning.
Thanks. Shivani?
Sir, principal clause is part of a subject of and principal clause. It has complement meaning.
Do you know subject? Tell one example.
So
So, subject.
Sir, subject is the word who the hero of the sentence. For whom we
Boliye.
are talking about. For whom we are talking about. The sentence is talking about.
Take a next. नेक्स्ट ख्याल रखिए वीडियो हो रहा है, दूर दूर तक जाता है, इसलिए कोई गलत बात मत बोलिए इसमें. व्हाट इज द मीन, व्हाट इज क्लॉज? व्हाट इज क्लॉज? ए क्लॉज इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ए क्लॉज इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and finite verb of its own. A clause is a group of words. Hello? A clause is a group of words which forms part of a sentence. A clause is a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and finite verb of its own. Shweta, what is clause?
Hello? So subject
It is a group of words.
Group of words.
It is a group of words.
It is a group of words.
Which group of words, not word. Which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and a finite verb of its own. This is called clause. Bolo?
Sir, clause is a group of words.
Which forms part of a sentence
contain
and
subject and contain subject and
finite verb of its own. You will pass if you work hard. You will pass if you work hard. You will pass. And if you work hard, तुम उत्तीर्ण हो जाओगे, तुम कठिन मेहनत करोगे तब. There are two clauses here. First is you will pass. Second is if you work hard, you will pass. This is called principal clause, main clause, independent clause. We also call प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज को मेन क्लॉज और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी कहते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मेन क्लॉज एंड इंडिपेंडेंट. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहते हैं. अब चलिए, प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज मेन क्लॉज है और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या है? सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. ये मेन क्लॉज है या किसी पर डिपेंड नहीं होता, और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज डिपेंडेंट होता है. किस पर? प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज पर या किसी और क्लॉज पर. क्या? व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज? व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज? बोलिए.
Sir, principal clause is independent clause.
हाँ, प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज इज independent clause. It is also chief clause. and
Part of
has a
subject of
and has a subject and not part of subject,
Subject
but
and predicate.
it has a subject and predicate, and it has complete meaning. Principal clause is a main clause. Principal clause is a main clause that has a subject and predicate, and it has complete meaning. It has complete meaning. As for examples, he worked hard that he may pass. You will pass if you work hard. Here, he worked hard is a principal clause, and that he may pass, subordinate clause. You will pass if you work hard. You will pass is a principal clause, and if you work hard is subordinate clause. Now, see more examples. If she comes to me, I shall help him. If she comes to me, principal clause. I shall help him. क्या होगा? आवाज आ रही है?
Subordinate.
Yes, sir.
Subordinate clause होगा.
Subordinate clause. बाद में हम लोग सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को नाउन, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब क्लॉज पर बहस करेंगे. अभी केवल दो समझना है. इन ए सेंटेंस which sentence is principal and which sentence is subordinate. इसी पर एक्सरसाइज अभी करना है. कौन कौन सब करना है किस पर एक्सरसाइज? प्रिंसिपल एंड
subordinate clause.
सबऑर्डिनेट इसी पर करना है एक्सरसाइज. इसी पर चलिए. ही वाज अब श्वेता comes to me, I will help him. Tell principal clause and subordinate clause. बोलते चलिए. श्वेता comes.
होगा subordinate clause और principal.
बोलो सेंटेंस बोल के बोलो.
If she come to me.
हाँ. He was absent because he was ill. He was absent.
He was absent. Principal clause होगा और
ठीक है.
because he
Because-
was ill, subordinate. He was ill,
ठीक है.
subordinate clause.
She wept when she heard the news. She wept when she heard the news. शेयर करो. She wept वो रोई.
See death में
When
main clause.
she
Sir, she wept
wept
हो जाएगा
when-
principal clause और when she आगे sentence.
Hard news.
हाँ.
try to
Hard
tell in
news.
English. Try to tell in English. Try to tell in English. The book that is on the table is mine. The book. कलम कागज लेकर नीचे लिखते भी रहो तब निकालो. The book that is on the table is mine. Explain it. Analyze this.
Sir, the book that is on the table is principal clause and is mine is subordinate clause.
No. The book that is on the table is mine. Think. Rethink. Shivani? Hello.
Yes, sir.
The book that is on the table is mine. Analyze this sentence. which is the principal, which is the subordinate. Analysis करो इस sentence का. Tell in English always in the classroom teaching. The book that is on the table is mine.
सर द बुक दैट मतलब ये हो जाएगा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज.
Not tell in Hindi. Not, do not tell in Hindi.
हेलो.
The book is, please attention. The book is mine. That is on the table. The book is mine. The book is mine. That is on the table. Follow किया? The book is mine. That is on the table. The book is mine. Is principal clause. That is on the table. Is subordinate clause. The pen that is in my pocket is yours. Right sentence. The pen that is in my pocket is yours. Analyze the sentence. The pen is yours. That is in my pocket. This is called analysis. This is called analysis. Principal clause and subordinate clause. After this,
The pen is yours. The pen is yours.
yours.
वो जगह
The
principal
pen
clause
is
और
yours. The
The
pen
pen is yours. Principal close हो जाएगा. और that in the
Pen
my
is
pocket.
my pocket.
हो जाएगा नहीं. हिंदी मत बोलो. बोलो. The pen is yours. Is principal
The pen
clause.
is yours. It principal close. That in the my
Pen-
pocket is subordinate close.
Subordinate. Subordinate. लिखो. SUBOR.
सब
DI. DINATE. Subordinate. Subordinate.
ऑर्डिनेट में सब के बाद अगर हाइफन होगा ना छोटा सा सब ऑर्डिनेट लिखने में
Subordinate.
नहीं कहीं कुछ नहीं. One sentence. Subordinate.
Sir,
SUBORDINATE. Subordinate.
Subordinate हो गया.
Subordinate. Principal clause, subordinate clause. Principal clause means independent clause. Main clause. Subordinate clause means dependent clause. Principal clause is also called main clause, independent clause. Subordinate clause means dependent clause. Dependent on principal clause is called subordinate clause. There are three types of subordinate clause: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. This pen that is in my pocket is yours. This pen, the pen that is in my pocket is yours. The pen is yours. That is in my pocket. There are two clauses. The pen is mine is principal clause. And that is in my pocket is subordinate clause. This is called analysis. This is called analysis, analysis, analysis. The uses of clauses in analysis. एनालिसिस में इसका प्रयोग होता है, क्लॉज का पिक आउट किया जाता है। प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज कौन है और सबऑर्डिनेट में नाउन कौन है, एडजेक्टिव कौन है, एडवर्ब कौन है। दिस इज कॉल्ड एनालिसिस। एनालिसिस इन ग्रामर, सिंथेसिस इन ग्रामर, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन ग्रामर, अलग अलग पढ़ाई है, डिफरेंट पढ़ाई। एनालिसिस का इसमें विनय जी, हेलो।
Yes,
यस सर, यस सर।
एनालिसिस में क्या करना होगा? एनालिसिस में जो करना होगा, क्या करना होगा?
अलग अलग सर सब्जेक्ट,
ठीक से बोलिए।
सबको सर, मतलब सर
श्वेता,
है चाहे पार्ट हुआ, ये सबको पहचानना हो।
श्वेता, साइलेंट। What is the analysis? What is analysis?
On some topic.
What is analysis?
Sir, analysis is the process in which we discuss on a particular topic.
No. Analysis
वर्गीकरण करना
in
होगा,
Hindi
सर।
विश्लेषण करना। साइलेंट, साइलेंट। विश्लेषण करना, to find out in a sentence which is principal clause and noun, adjective and adverb clause. It is called analysis. It is called analysis in English grammar of a sentence. फॉलो किया? हेलो।
यस सर, यस सर।
Analysis of a sentence means in a sentence where is principal clause and where is noun, adjective and adverbial clause.
यस सर, यस।
पहचानना, एक सेंटेंस में पहचानना प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज कौन है, एडजेक्टिव कौन है, एडवर्बियल कौन है। दिस इज कॉल्ड एनालिसिस। दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंस एनालिसिस, analysis. This is called analysis of a sentence. What is the position? Which part is called principal clause? Which part is called noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause? In a sentence, this is called analysis of a sentence. Shweta, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this analysis in a sentence?
So to find out where is the analysis of a sentence is the process in which we find out where is the a principal clause and where is the noun clause. I mean, where is the subordinate clause?
हाँ, यही मतलब आगे इससे रिलेटेड एनालिसिस पर भी बात हो जाएगी। इस पर जैसे जैसे समय आएगा उसके अनुरूप काम चलता रहेगा। समझ के कोशिश कीजिए ज्यादा इंग्लिश बोलने का और समझने का कोशिश कीजिए। जो हमेशा याद रखिए कि इसका वीडियो होता है और यूट्यूब पर जाता है, वहां बड़े बड़े विद्वान बैठे रहते हैं। इसलिए ना आवे तो आस्क क्वेश्चन, ऐसा इंस्ट्रक्शन आया है यूट्यूब से। ये दुनिया के लोग इसको देख रहे हैं, इसलिए आप आस्क क्वेश्चंस ओनली, नॉट पुट रॉन्ग थिंग्स। समझ गए ना? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
बोलो रिंकू, what is the analysis of a sentence in English language?
Sir, analysis is a sentence which the find of principal clause, subordinate clause, noun, verb.
Where is verb?
Yes, sir.
Only three: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause.
Adverbial clause.
Noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Not verb clause. Shivani,
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Analysis
What?
of a sentence is where is
Analysis.
analysis
Speak.
of a sentence means where is a principal clause, where is a subordinate clause, where is a noun clause,
And adjective clause.
and adjective clause.
And adjective clause. Sonali. बोलो एक बार श्वेता.
Yes, sir.
सर हम बोले
हाँ बोलिए.
analysis of sentence is which find out
Oh.
then clause, subordinate clause, verbial clause, adverbial clause, and adjective clause.
क्लाउड वाली क्लाउड होगा.
श्वेता.
क्लाउड थोड़ी ना होगा. क्लाउड. हाँ.
क्लॉज क्लॉज क्लॉज. अभ्यास करो घरे.
Clause.
एनालिसिस एनालिसिस एनालिसिस. क्लॉज क्लाउज नहीं, नॉट क्लॉज. क्लॉज नॉट क्लाउज. तुम बोलो श्वेता. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, analysis
व्हाट इज ना.
is
हाँ.
in which we find the main clause and noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause.
Tell examples. Tell examples.
बोलिए.
The pen is yours.
Bolo.
That is in
Sir,
my
the pen that is in my pocket is yours. So the pen is yours हो जाएगा प्रिंसिपल क्लोज, और that is in my pocket हो जाएगा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लोज.
Tell in English, not Hindi ad.
Sir, the
The
pen
pen-
is yours is principal clause, that is in my pocket is subordinate clause.
Take right. Tell me why you did do this. Tell me why you did this. Analyze the sentence. Tell me why you did this. Shweta, analysis the sentence. Analysis the sentence.
Sir, tell me the main clause,
Principal clause.
principal clause,
Principal. Why you
and
did this?
why you did this is subordinate clause.
Take. He is better than Rajiv. He is better than Rajiv. Analyze the sentence.
Sir, he is better.
principal clause. Then Rajiv is its subordinate clause.
Then nahi, then. He is better principal clause, main clause. Or then Rajiv subordinate clause. Shweta is senior. Shweta is senior to Rinku. Analyze the sentence.
So Shweta is senior is main principal clause and
Is
then to
Rinku
Rinku is subordinate clause.
क्या? Shweta is
Senior is principal clause.
right. Then
Then
Rinku. Then Rinku is subordinate clause. Subordinate principal. Huh? He writes as fast as possible. He writes
sir, he
As
writes
fast
his
as-
main clause. As fast as possible is subordinate clause.
thanks. Rajiv as well as I is to blame. Rajiv as well as I is to blame.
Is to
Rajiv as well as I is to blame. Analyze the sentence.
As well as principal clause, then Rajiv subordinate clause.
No.
I to blame subordinate clause होगा.
अपने मन से कुछ मत बोलो. Rajiv is to blame. Is principal clause. As well as I is subordinate. He came and gave me the book. He came and gave me the book.
Sir, he came
came.
in the principal
He
clause
came,
and gave me
he
the
came,
book is the
he
subordinate.
came is the principal clause. He gave me the book. Subordinate.
Subordinate clause.
हाँ, सबऑर्डिनेट. घर में जाकर अभ्यास करो, घर बोलना सीखो. प्रिंसिपल नहीं बोलने आ रहा है, ऐसा भी यूट्यूब पर जा रहा है, क्या कहेगा? रिजेक्ट कर देगा इसको. इसलिए तैयार होकर आओ बढ़िया से. Pick out the principal clauses and the subordinate clauses in the following sentences. मैं बोल रहा हूँ और अभ्यास करा रहा हूँ. एक्सेप्ट I lost all that I had. I lost
Sir, I lost
all
is
that I had.
Sir,
I lost all that I had.
is principal clause and
I
all
lost
that I
all.
have is
I lost all that I had.
principal clause and
I
that I
lost
have
all
subordinate clause.
subordinate clause. Wait till I return. Wait I till return. Wait till I return. क्या होगा? You wait till I return. You wait till I return. If you go there, you will. If you go there, you will find him. लिख लो. If you go there, लिखो ना, तब बात करना. If you go there, you will find him. If you go there, you will find him. Because the principal clauses and subordinate clause. श्वेता,
If you will
ध्यान
go
देकर
there,
सुनो. If you go there, you will find him.
You will find him.
If you go there,
You will find him. You will find him, principal clause, if you go there. बात समझ में आ रही है? You will find him if you go there.
Go there.
लिखो next. All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. सभी जो चमकते हैं वो सोना नहीं होता. All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold.
All gold is
All is not gold that glitters.
not yes, sir.
All is not gold that glitters. Next, God helps those who help themselves. God helps those. God helps those. God helps those who help themselves. Who help themselves. God helps those, principal clause, who help themselves, subordinate clause. The boy who played best won the prize. The boy who played best won the prize. The boy who played best won the prize. बोलो श्वेता. हैं? The boy
Sir, the
who played best won. बोलो. Who played best? The boy won the prize.